Hi guys, I'm new here and I was inspired by the idea of showing you my daily diet from of dishes that I eat because the problem of obesity around the world is almost of the forefront front in relations to health. Yes, I am Russian girl. I just starting to learn English, and if I say something wrong, write in the comments if do you not understand. Appreciate the way my accent. I also have a Linguaworks channel. I have a channel for Russian viewers, but I will probably focus more on you learning Russian. If you want on this channel, you can appreciate my nutrition and try to also eat. I really hope that you succeed. So now I'll show my slim figure so that you can immediately understand what size I am. I have a little cellulite and stretch marks, but this is all removed by training and squats. But for now, I try to stick to a diet, and there are foods more healthy. So I'll show you have breakfast, dishes, lunch, and dinner to motivate you not to overeat during the day, unless of course you want the same figure as mine. So today for breakfast I have oatmeal porridge with apples and nuts. I eat nuts almost every day, mix with porridge or eat piece by piece. But my cereals and difference. I don't drink tea. I usually drink after 20 minutes, or I can forget to drink some water, but you don't forget. You can put raspberry jam instead of sugar and even spread on bread and butter. It will be very tasty. Yummy, yummy. Here is such a healthy and most importantly delicious non-nutritious breakfast. We got it and I'll eat it now. Now it's lunchtime and see what we have in the refrigerator. I don't have a lot of products, but I have liver pancakes is the preparation and I cook back here. We take out frozen vegetables, red and yellow bell peppers with broccoli. These are Russian broccoli, as you have not said, are usually frozen. Usually I cook in a skillet for a few minutes. You can still put eggplant. And so the vegetables are ready, but in a plate along with back heat and warmed pancakes from beef liver. How delicious. Well, today I have sea buckthorn tea with herbs for dinner. And a healthy one. Oreo cookies and Russian cereal cookies. But this will not be the whole dinner. And another glass of tea I could not miss with chocolate Twix, also made in Russian. I'm Russian, it's illogical. And they and they present me such New Year tea, like that. It's about 8 in the evening, and I decided in our cold weather to cook pasta with cheese and fried eggs. I love to fry in a pan and then add fresh cucumbers. For the girls, you can get fat for sure. Well, almost 10 in the evening. I wanted children's fruit puree. My son didn't eat. I have to eat it along with kefir. I don't know if there are beefy dog in America, right? Do you know this word? It's almost the same as kefir, uh, a dairy product. And more, and one more cookie I can afford. Again. For today, I'll probably eat nothing more. As always, I forgot about my melon and the compote. I don't know how to say it differently. Russian juice from apples. True, my mother adds sugar to it, so I won't drink it. Well, I hope you enjoyed my review for today. I try to make more videos for every day, and you will motivate me with likes and comments, and I will try to show what I eat without harm to health. So subscribe to my channel and be aware. By the way, the link to the LinguoOx channel in the description under the video. Eat and lose weight. Goodbye. Useful or useful? How right? Useful. Useful. All right. On Russian, полезный, польза. Repeat after me.